Hi, my name is Will Krosick, Scientific Services Manager at Chemical Computing Group. Today I'll be showing you the Superpose Molecules application. The Superpose Molecules application can be accessed from the Compute menu in the main Mo window. And this allows for interactive superposition of two or more molecules. We can do this by specifying sets of atoms that need to be superposed. Mo is prompting us to select at least 3 sets for the superposition, and you'll notice that the mouse cursor has changed to crosshairs to specify our atom correspondence. By default, the by tag option is enabled, meaning that the receptor is going to move along with the ligand during the superposition. This allows for entire protein-ligand complexes to be superposed based on a selected subset of atoms from each structure. In today's example, I'll be superposing 2 unrelated proteins that have similar co-crystallized ligands, and for this reason, I'll select corresponding atoms or sets to superpose, one from each of our bound ligands. Here I can see that both of these ligands have a common guanosine substructure which I'd like to superpose. So I'm going to start by selecting the first set of corresponding atoms, and when I do so, you'll notice that they're both labelled 1. They're connected with a green line, indicating the distance between them in angstroms. You'll also notice at the top left corner, set 1 has been created, and in addition, the set button is automatically updated, prompting me to select a second set of corresponding atoms. So I'll go ahead and do just that before finally selecting my third set. And with the 3 sets created, I'm ready to superpose the structures by clicking Apply. Because the by tag option was toggled on, the receptors came along for the ride, and here I see a good superposition in the main Mo window whereby the guanine bicyclic rings superpose very closely to one another. I'm just going to change the rendering style of my protein and zoom out, and when I do so, you'll see that these protein structures are actually quite dissimilar, but I do see that they share some secondary structure in and around the binding pocket. And that brings us to the end of today's session, where we use the Superpose Molecules application to interactively superpose 2 protein-ligand complexes based on a set of selected atoms from each bound ligand. If you have any questions, please do reach out to us at support@chemcomp.com.